Okay, I'm Constance Perrin-Joly, so I'm a French researcher. I'm associate researcher in French Center for Ethiopian Studies here in Addis Ababa, and I'm also assistant professor in French in Paris North University, so in France. And I'm the organizer with Chloé Josse-Durand, one of my colleagues. I'm the organizer of this exhibition. So you can see the exhibition is entitled African Workplaces. It gathers pictures from 9 photographers and researchers about labor in Africa. And it's part of a bigger event about what we call the field of the photographable. We try to think about which gaze we have if we are photographers or if we are researchers, and according to our backgrounds and our life experience. So today we have a round table here in the French Alliance. The round table is entitled What do we capture from Africa? And we have 4 photographers who will debate about this question. I think we try to speak about labor in Africa. I think in particular in France, people have not a very clear picture about the diversity of labor in Africa. And I think even here in Addis, people sometimes don't have a clear picture of the diversity of labor. And so we want to show this diversity. We want to show the small jobs in the street. We want to show also the job in the plantations, and we want to question the industrializations also. Wow, it's a very big question. I'm not sure I'm able to give a very clear answer, because you have here 9 photographers, and I think each photographer have his own aim. For me, what it was important, as I am part also of this exhibition, it's to show what is invisible. To show that every sort of labor have a sort of professionality, and we have to recognize it, to show the female labor and the importance of this female labor, even if it's only domestic work, and also to address or to question the question of working conditions. And sometimes working conditions are very hard here in plantation and in industry. And we have to show it and to have discussion about how we can improve the working condition of the workers. It's not the last. In fact, it's not the first exhibition. And it's not the last exhibition. It's not the last because we opened this exhibition here in Addis Ababa, and after the exhibition we'll move to Bujumbura in Burundi, and then to Nairobi in Kenya. And we will also have this exhibition in France, in Paris. So I think during the whole year, the exhibition will move. So we have grant and we have support from the Institut Français, the French Institute from Nairobi, from Bujumbura, and here the Alliance Ethio-Française. We have support from 3 laboratories, 3 scientific laboratories, so the French Center for Ethiopian Studies, the French Institute for Research in Africa in Nairobi, and my laboratories in France, the Institute for Social Science Research. And we have also the support from the University Paris North, the IRD, which is also a research institutions in France. Thanks a lot. Batam Amaseganalo.